In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar. This tool is not only essential for organizing your daily schedule, but also incredibly helpful for coordinating meetings and events with colleagues, friends, or family. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook and switch over to the calendar view. To do this, simply click on the calendar icon, usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. This will take you to the main calendar interface where you'll spend most of your time managing your schedule. Once you're in the calendar view, take a look at the toolbar located at the top of the screen. Here, you'll notice a number of options such as new event, day, work week, and month. These options help you navigate and customize how your calendar displays events. You can adjust your calendar to show a single day, the work week, or the entire month, depending on what you find most convenient. Now, to get started with creating an event, click on the New Event button. This is where the magic happens as you plan and structure your future commitments. After clicking, a form will appear where you can begin customizing your event. In this form, you'll have several fields to fill out. Start with a title for your event, something that clearly signifies what the meeting or gathering is about. Next, if you need to involve other people, you can invite attendees by adding their email addresses. Specify the date and time for your event, ensuring there are no conflicts with existing entries in your calendar. Adding a location is also possible, which is perfect for in-person meetings or events requiring attendees to gather at a specific place. If the meeting recurs maybe weekly or monthly, you can set it as a recurring meeting to save time, ensuring you don't have to create multiple entries. You also have the option to enter additional notes or attach files. Useful for sharing agendas or presentation materials in advance. When setting up your event, you might notice options for requesting responses and allowing forwarding. These response options give you control over how you manage invitations and track RSVPs from participants. You can choose to request a response, which will prompt attendees to confirm their availability. Allowing forwarding lets invitees send the invitation to others, which might be helpful in some circumstances. Finally, indicate your status for the event. Options such as free, working elsewhere, tentative, busy, or out of office help others understand your availability during the event period. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the setup, hit send to finalize and distribute your invitations. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar. With these techniques, arranging and attending meetings becomes a breeze, and you'll find yourself managing time more efficiently than ever before.